Well, what are we going to talk about today? Let's talk about snow load on the roof of your camper. Being in northern Ontario, we normally get a couple feet. I just did this roof about a month ago. It was beginning of December. Today's, I think, is a Ukrainian Christmas, actually. Merry Christmas to all my Ukrainian friends. You know, we had a friend that used to haul campers from Gary, Indiana, back into town. And he was beside us out at the lake. We have a camper out at the lake too. And he always said, cover your roof. So I listen to the old timers. We cover our roof. So we'll go up. We'll see how much snow. I think there's about 8-10 inches. And like I say, I did it at the beginning of January. So I'm sure this will come off pretty easy. But if you leave it, just think of all the snow that's up there. Hundreds of pounds. And his theory was that snow is going to melt and freeze, melt and freeze. That cycle opens up any little cracks that's in your caulking. That's according to him, and I believe him. And it'll just keep getting worse and worse if you have any problems with your caulking or anything. So we always tarp it. He always said put a tarp on it. So this is on top of the roof. This is what we're looking at to get rid of. We'll just go slow, work our way. And then after that, you just go with the snow blower and get rid of it once it's on the ground. I don't like being on a ladder, especially a one that's already broken, and I'm too cheap to buy another one. Okay, this is a roof rake. It just has different sections you could add. You got to be careful with ours. We got solar panels and vent covers and everything on top. You don't want to break your solar panels. So you just got to go easy. Like I say, there's maybe 8 inches of snow, but you don't want it to get much more than that. That's a lot of weight. And again, I can't stress enough, over here your vent covers, here your solar. We have 400 watts of solar. You don't want to crack that, so otherwise you're going to be replacing it. Okay, I'll move on to the front. And this actually didn't take as long as I thought it was going to. It's coming off easy. fruits of my labor. That was worth it. So that's it. All gone. Till the next dump. Like I say, a lot of people don't care. But we've had this camper 10 years and we like to keep it in good condition. I don't want 200 to 300 pounds of snow sitting on the roof. And again, like I say, a lot of people don't tarp it. We do. Covers the solar panels, protects the glass. Keeps any moisture in case you do have a small little leak from making things a lot worse. So tell me what you think. Do you guys do it? We've been doing it for 10 years on this and our camper out at the lake. So yeah, let me know. Okay. Down we go. Ah, my helper. Gopher. Didn't go nothing. So that's that done. Just think in 4 months we'll be able to use this again.